Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of June 2025 for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. So first of all, we will talk about Sun controls your 8th house, and right now Sun is transiting from your 5th house in the sign of Taurus. Sun will stay into your 5th house till 15 June. After 15 June, Sun will move from your 5th house to your 6th house in the sign of Gemini, where Jupiter is already transiting. So what is 5th house is your children, your love relationship, your boyfriend, your fiance, your close loved ones are seen from 5th house. Your mental abilities, your planning abilities, how smart you are, how genius you are seen from your 5th house. Your early education till college life education are also represented by your 5th house. So 8th house is your secretive activity, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life, major transformation, sudden positive events, sudden negative events are represented by 8th house, your secret and secretive activity. If you are into some research studies, then research is also represented by 8th house. So beside the fact that 8th house Lord transiting from your 5th house, if you are into some research studies and some hidden studies, then there will be a good result for you people, because 5th house is your mental ability. So you will be facing regarding your 8th house related matter into your learnings if you are into some research studies, and there will be a good result for you people. If you are younger in age, then you may get some disturbing result regarding your education related matter and your fun activities. Try to take care of these matter, because 8th house is a naturally malefic house, and right now Ketu is as well transiting from your 8th house. Both the house and planet are connected with uncertainty and unexpectedness, so you need to be very careful regarding the unexpected events regarding your 5th house related matter. Like you have children, you need to be very careful regarding your children's related matter. They may get disturbing result regarding their education related matter. And if you are not married, you have sincere love relationship, try to protect your relationship. You may get difficult result regarding your relationship related matter as well. After 15 June, when Sun will join Jupiter into your 6th house, into when Sun will move from your 5th house to your 6th house, then you will have great result regarding your court case, litigation, argument, your work related matter as well. Your earning will be going great, because sixth, second, and 10th house always connected to your earnings and your work related matter. And Jupiter, Sun, and Mercury will as well transiting from your sixth house after 7 June. So Mercury, Jupiter, and Sun will be transiting from your sixth house. You will get great result regarding your court case, litigation, argument related matter, but when Mercury and Jupiter will be in a combust position, when Sun will come too close to these planets, then they may get affected. They will have to lose their positive energy. So you may get disturbing result, but in the end, you will be able to take care of your against people, court case, litigation, arguments related matter if you are into these things. If you are in debt right now, then if you are in debt right now, then if you are in debt right now, then you will be able to pay your loan back in the month of June. But if you are not able to pay your loans in the month of June, then slowly you will be able to pay your loan, because Jupiter is transiting from your sixth house till the next year. So Jupiter will give you ability to withstand all the difficulty and pay your loans back till the next year. Mercury controls your sixth house and your ninth house, and right now Mercury is transiting from your fifth house as well. Mercury will change two signs as we discussed previously. Firstly, Mercury will move from your fifth house to your sixth house around 6th June, and from your 6th house to 7th house around 23rd June 2025. But major portion of this prediction, Mercury will be staying to your 6th house. Venus controls your 10th house and your ninth house, and right now Venus is transiting from your 4th house. Venus is just moved from your 3rd house to your 4th house in the beginning of this month, and until the whole month Venus will be staying to your 4th house. Venus is expecting its own house, like Venus controls your 10th house and your fifth house. Both the positive houses are controlled by Venus, and Venus is right now present in its good position. But after 7th March, you will get great result regarding your work related matter, because before 7 March, Venus is moving into your 4th house in the sign of Aries, and Lord of your 4th house will be in its debilitated state till 7 June. So till 7 June, you may have to face some difficult result, but after 7 June, slowly you will start getting great result regarding your work related matter. You will passionately do your work, and you may get some increment promotions. Your superior will very supportive to you, because Venus also controls your fifth house, and fifth house lord transiting from your fourth house, you will be able to grasp what you are learning, and what and where you are investing your energy regarding your work related matter, because fifth house is your mental abilities. So all the work related to mental abilities are represented by your fifth house. You how smart you are seen from your fifth house. Mars controls your 11th house and your fourth house. And as we discussed previously, after 7 June, when Mars will come out from its debilitated state and will move to your 8th house, then there will be a Ketu and Mars will be present into your 8th house. 8th house is the house of uncertainty. You may get disturbing result, but there will be a great energy, because malefic perform very well in the malefic houses, and 8th house is a actually malefic house. Ketu being present in your 8th house and Mars as well, there will be a tremendous amount of energy, and you will be able to tackle all the difficulties into your life. So after 7 June, you will have a stable result if you are working somehow connected to research, like you are work in a secretive agency, you are working to research, you are into some occult sciences, then there will be a great opportunities for you people, and you will be able to find the truth, because K2 and 8th house, both the houses representing the finding the truth, digging out the truth in anything. So regarding all of that matter, you will have great result after 7 June. So we can expect these results for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. So we can expect these results for all the Capricorn Ascendant people. Our today's video monthly prediction of June 2025 for all the Capricorn Ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video, and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.